To remain standing for the final compliments. The process. So please particularly advise all honorable members and guests to stay in their seats. We have a very long list.
And maintain the Constitution and all other law of the Republic. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will always promote all that will advance the Republic and oppose all that may harm it. Protect and promote the rights of all South Africans. Discharge my duties with all my strength and talents to the best of my knowledge and ability, and true to the dictates of my conscience. Do justice to all and devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and all its people. So help me God.
Augusta, A109s in the lead and the rear, respectively, and the two Kawasaki EK114.
And all the leaders who have led for our distinguished
Mr. President, equal and more united. This is the dream to care for the poor, the vulnerable. Africa will embark on a new age of production to achieve stability, to advance development, equal, compassionate world, founded on solidarity, until those who steal from the people